here's the thing, and I really continue to want to encourage you guys to do this. I think I've told Abdel, maybe I've talked to all of you. If I'm in a position right now where I am, where my back is killing me and I know I'm half focused and I'm not going to be able to take notes, I just want to be there. I literally go into voice notes and I just hit record next to the computer and then I put it into Otter AI or any other AI, and that will give me the entire conversation, and then I can reference anything for the proposal build. Nobody needs to know, like it doesn't even need to be in your corporate profile, whatever. You guys have to talk about that internally, but it is very effective because it allows me to be with them, and then I go back and reference, okay, what specific job descriptions did they say? What were the pain point keywords that they used? Literally, their words, right? What was the desired dream state words that they used? Their words.
It just makes it easier to be present in your conversation, but you still follow through with quality in